If you've ever had a Facebook ad denied or a Facebook ad account shut down, then you know the pain and frustration that goes along with it, which is why in today's episode, we're covering exactly what you need to do to stay safe and what to do if this happens. Let's get to it. Hey there, Adam Erhart here, Modern Marketing Strategist, and welcome to the Modern Marketing Show, where we help you make marketing that matters. On this channel, we cover the latest and greatest marketing strategies, tools, tips, tricks, and tactics. So if that's something you're into, you might want to consider subscribing. So today, we're talking Facebook ads, and specifically, what happens if your ad gets denied or your ad accounts get shut down. Not a fun feeling, I know. And lately, it seems to be happening a lot more frequently and a lot more often to a lot more ad accounts who, in all senses, are covering and pretty much abiding by all the rules and all the terms of service. So when they get sucker punched by that ad getting denied or that ad account getting entirely shut down, well, it comes as a bit of a shock and a bit of a surprise, and it can often lead to a sense of dread and panic, especially if Facebook has been one of your main traffic platforms. After running Facebook ads for this many years across so many different clients and so many different ad accounts, I've had ads denied as well, and I know the feelings that go along with it. It makes you start to question things like, what did I do wrong? Was it something I said? Was my image offensive? Did I violate the terms of service? Why does Facebook hate me? Now, before we dive into the specifics, we need to clear something up and make it really, really clear here. And that's that Facebook's primary goal, their primary audience, isn't to you and me as advertisers, but rather to the billions of people that they serve as regular daily users. When we understand this and when we fully appreciate and respect that it's not our platform but theirs, and their primary job is to cater to the needs of their users, well, everything gets a little easier and a lot more simple. This is because it allows us to put ourselves in their shoes and understand that their primary goal is respecting the attention and making sure that people continue to spend time on their platform. That said, they sometimes mess up and they sometimes deny ads that shouldn't be denied or shut down ad accounts that shouldn't be shut down. So after really diving into why different ads were getting denied and why different ad accounts are getting shut down, I've determined there's 7 different factors that could be leading to your ads getting denied or your ad account getting shut down. These 7 factors are not all created equal, and in fact, some are more important than others. So what I normally suggest to my clients or to my students when they come to me with an ad account getting shut down is we start at the top and we work our way through all the way to the bottom. By taking this sequential and strategic approach to it, we're often able to correct the problem without too much work involved, and we're able to do it a lot quicker. So here are the 7 steps where you want to start and where eventually you're going to need to end up. Step number 1 is obviously to take a look at the ad. Now, the first thing that normally happens is an ad gets denied. This means that for some reason, something in the ad has flagged something and gone against the terms of service. Whether it's kind of showing before and after pictures, whether it's making claims, whether it's advertising something that Facebook isn't too fond of, whatever it is, for some reason, something's been flagged. Now, this could have been flagged by a machine and by the algorithm, or it could have been manually flagged by one of the new employees that Facebook has hired in order to better police the advertising network. Regardless, take a look at your ad, go through it with a fine-tooth comb, and start to find words that may be getting flagged, or areas that may be making claims, or anything that goes against the terms of service, and really try to vanilla your ad up to make it a little more bland and a little more boring, just to see if you can get it approved. If it does get approved, well, then you know the issues with the ad. The second thing is the ad account. Now, when you've got an ad account with a ton of different denied ads, or that's experienced terms of service violation after terms of service violation, it starts to get a bit of a black mark in the Facebook ad network. So for this reason, if you have an ad account that has a ton of different denied ads and you've got all sorts of different issues, well, you may need to start a brand new ad account in order to bypass having your ad account get shut down sooner than later or getting your ads continually denied. After that, it's time to take a look at your Facebook page. You see, if you're continually creating ads that are getting denied, or you're starting new ad accounts that keep getting shut down, it could be because of the associated Facebook page that's going along with them. So whether you have a backup Facebook page or a different Facebook page, or whether you want to create a brand new one, this is the next logical step. Next up, it's time to take a look at the URL or the website that you're sending people to off of Facebook through your ads. For starters, don't be sending them to a .clickfunnels or .lead pages, as this isn't great. Try to brand it and put it under your own business. But again, if your business has continually had infractions or violations of the terms of service, you may need to start sending them to a different URL or a different website that's not been associated with any of the previously banned ads or previously banned ad accounts or any of the previously banned Facebook pages. All right, so now let's say you've got new ads, A new ad account, a new Facebook page, you're sending them to a new URL and a new website. I know it's a lot of work, but if your ads keep getting shut down, it might be worth the effort. Well, regardless, the next step is to take a look at the credit card that's associated with the ad accounts. Again, this is one of those things that Facebook isn't going to confirm, but if you start to look logically at what things are tied to your ad account and why your ads keep getting denied, this is simply the next logical step. So try advertising with a completely different credit card and see if that'll allow you to get through the barriers. Once that's done, it's time to take a look at your business manager overall. You see, if your business manager is just full of all sorts of different banned ad accounts, it's going to put up a bit of a red flag with Facebook. So this is something that you're going to want to take a look at. Lastly, you've got to take a look really objectively at your entire business structure and any other assets, any other ad accounts or Facebook pages or business managers or URLs or any of the other associated online assets with that account, and take a look at your business. And if you just can't get an ad approved and you keep getting ad accounts shut down, it might be time for a complete new rebrand, at least insofar as Facebook ads are concerned. All right, so now that we've got that covered, here are 4 tips to help keep your ads safe and your ad account in good standing with Facebook. Tip number 1 is that anytime you've got a denied ad or an ad that's been disapproved by Facebook, you want to delete that from your ad account as soon as possible. The last thing you want to do is go into your ads manager and see a whole bunch of different ads that have been denied that are still sitting there, because that's putting up a red flag for Facebook. The next point is that you always want to have backup ad accounts. One ad account is simply not enough, especially if you're doing a lot of advertising with Facebook. So have a backup. Have a backup to your backup, and maybe even have a backup to your backup's backup. The third thing is you need to understand that Facebook may be gunning for you. What this means is that if you've got a history of ads getting denied or terms of service violations or ad accounts getting shut down, well, you're gonna be on their radar. So you're gonna need to play things extra squeaky clean and extra careful if you wanna get your ads approved and running on their platform. And the fourth tip is, just like having backup ad accounts, you wanna have backup traffic platforms, which means diversifying your traffic source. You see, anytime that you're relying solely on Facebook ads for your traffic, you're running in dangerous waters. Because if Facebook denies your ads or shuts down your ad account, you're kinda hooped. This is why I always suggest having multiple traffic platforms available, whether we're talking about search engine optimized content, whether we're talking about running YouTube ads, whether we're talking about organic social posting methods like on your personal Facebook page or through Twitter, anything like that. Always look for a backup traffic source so that you're never kind of putting all your eggs in one basket and leaving yourself at the mercy of Facebook. So now I turn it over to you. Have you ever had a Facebook ad denied or a Facebook ad account shut down? If so, let me know in the comments section below. Specifically, let me know if you were able to fix it or solve it, or if you found any other tips or tricks that I didn't get to cover here. Also, if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. And of course, if you have any comments or suggestions for a future video, I'd love to hear them in the comments section below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on The Modern Marketing Show.